Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm thrilled to guide you through one of the most important steps in achieving financial independence, getting a mortgage as an immigrant in the United States. Whether you're dreaming of owning your first home or looking to secure a better living situation, I know that navigating the US financial system can be intimidating, especially when you're just starting out. But I'm here to show you that with the right preparation, determination, and strategy, your dream of home ownership is absolutely within reach. Let's begin this journey together. First, it's crucial to understand the mortgage landscape in the United States. Mortgages are long-term loans designed to help you purchase a home, and they come in several types. You might encounter conventional loans, which typically require a stronger credit history, or government-backed loans like FHA loans, which are more forgiving for first-time homebuyers. If you're a veteran, there's the VA loan, and in rural areas, the USDA loan might be an option. As an immigrant, you might worry about your limited credit history or unfamiliarity with these terms, but rest assured, many lenders recognize these challenges and offer programs designed specifically for people just like you. Understanding the various loan options and how they work is the first step in positioning yourself for success. Before you jump into the mortgage process, you need to have a clear picture of your financial health. I always start by assessing three main components: credit score and history. Even if your credit history in the US is brief, know your score. It's a key metric that lenders use to gauge your risk. Income stability. Lenders want to see that you have a steady source of income, whether it's from a full-time job, part-time work, or freelance gigs. Debt-to-income ratio. This is the percentage of your income that goes toward paying existing debts. A lower ratio suggests you have enough income to manage additional payments. Taking the time to evaluate these factors is like building a strong foundation before constructing a house. It helps you identify areas where you might need improvement before applying for a mortgage. If you're new to the US or have a limited credit history, don't be discouraged. Building a robust credit profile is absolutely achievable. Here are some methods I recommend. Secured credit cards. These cards require a deposit, which typically becomes your credit limit. By using them responsibly, making small purchases, and paying off the balance each month, you can start building a positive credit history. The credit builder loans. Offered by many credit unions and community banks, these loans are specifically designed to help people establish credit. You make small, regular payments, and over time, your record improves. Authorized user programs. If a trusted family member or friend has a good credit history, ask if you can be added as an authorized user. Their positive credit behavior can reflect on your report, boosting your score. Every step you take in building your credit is an investment in your future, and over time, these small actions add up to a strong, credible financial profile. Saving for a down payment is one of the most critical components of qualifying for a mortgage. A larger down payment not only reduces the amount you need to borrow, but can also help secure better loan terms and lower your monthly payments. I set a goal of saving at least 10 to 20% of the home's purchase price. Even if you have to start small, every dollar saved is a step toward homeownership. Create a detailed savings plan, cut unnecessary expenses, and consider setting up automatic transfers to your savings account. A consistent savings habit demonstrates financial responsibility to lenders and, more importantly, helps you achieve your dream of owning a home. Documentation is the backbone of any mortgage application. Lenders need to verify your identity, income, and residency before approving your loan. I make sure to have the following documents ready. Identification. A valid passport or driver's license is essential. Proof of residency, recent utility bills, lease agreements, or other official documents showing your current address. Proof of income. This can include recent pay stubs, tax returns, or bank statements that clearly demonstrate your earnings. Social Security number, SSN, or Individual Taxpayer Identification Number, ITIN. Depending on your situation, one of these is required. Having these documents organized and easily accessible not only streamlines the application process, but also sends a message to your lender that you're prepared and responsible. Not every lender is the same, and as an immigrant, it's important to find a lender who understands your unique circumstances. I focus on researching lenders that offer programs tailored for immigrants or first-time homebuyers. Community banks and credit unions. These institutions often have more flexible requirements and are more willing to work with individuals who have limited credit histories. Online lenders and fintech companies. Many online lenders provide competitive rates and faster processing times with a more inclusive approach for those new to the U.S. financial system. Government-backed loans. Programs like FHA loans are designed for borrowers who might not have a long credit history and offer lower down payment requirements. By comparing different options, paying close attention to interest rates, loan terms, and fees, you can find the lender that best fits your financial picture and long-term goals. Once you've narrowed down your lender choices, it's time to compare the specific mortgage options they offer. Look at interest rates are adjustable. How will changes in rates affect your monthly payments? Loan term. A longer term generally means lower monthly payments but more interest over time, while a shorter term might have higher payments but less total interest. Down payment requirements. Different loans require different down payment percentages. Fees and closing costs. Understand all the associated fees, such as origination fees, appraisal fees, and any penalties for early repayment. Taking the time to compare these factors will ensure that you choose a mortgage that not only fits your immediate needs, but also supports your long-term financial stability. Now comes the exciting part, applying for your mortgage. Here's how I approach it. Fill out the application, whether online or in person. Complete every field with accurate and up-to-date information. Mistakes can delay or derail your application. Attach your documentation. Upload all the necessary documents you've gathered. This makes the review process smoother. Personalize your application. Some lenders appreciate a brief personal statement explaining your unique situation as an immigrant. This can provide context and strengthen your application. Submit and follow up. Once submitted, keep in touch with your lender. Follow up if you haven't received updates within the expected time. Patience is key here. Approval can take anywhere from a few days to several weeks, depending on the lender. Before you finalize your mortgage, it's absolutely critical to understand every term in your agreement. Here's what you should focus on. Interest rate. Determine whether the rate is fixed or variable and understand how that affects your payments over time. Well, loan term. Consider the trade-offs between a longer term with lower monthly payments and a shorter term that saves on interest. Monthly payments. Ensure the amount fits comfortably within your budget. Fees and closing costs. Identify any additional costs, including origination fees, appraisal fees, and potential prepayment penalties. If any part of the agreement is unclear, ask questions. Lenders are there to help, and negotiating terms isn't unusual. The more informed you are, the better decisions you'll make. If you find it challenging to qualify for a mortgage on your own, especially if you have limited credit history, consider asking a trusted family member or friend to co-sign your loan. A co-signer with a solid credit history can greatly improve your chances of approval and might secure you more favorable terms. However, keep in mind that a co-signer shares legal responsibility for the loan. It's a decision that should be made with care, trust, and full understanding from both parties. When used responsibly, a co-signer can be the key to unlocking homeownership when you need that extra boost. Congratulations. Once your mortgage is approved, the real work begins, managing your mortgage responsibly. This is where you turn your dream into a reality while building a strong financial future. Here's what I do. Incorporate your mortgage payment into your budget. Adjust your monthly budget to account for mortgage payments and related expenses. Set up automatic payments. Ensure you never miss a due date, which helps protect your credit score. Regularly. Monitor your credit. Keep an eye on your credit report to see how your mortgage affects your overall credit health. Stay in touch with your lender. If your financial situation changes, communicate with your lender to discuss potential modifications to your loan terms. By managing your mortgage wisely, you secure not only your home, but also your long-term financial stability. I understand that the journey to homeownership as an immigrant can be fraught with additional challenges. Language barriers, cultural differences, and navigating an unfamiliar financial system can make the process seem daunting. I've been there, and I know it's not easy. But every challenge is an opportunity to learn and grow. Seek community support. Look for local organizations and workshops that offer financial literacy training and assistance for immigrants. Educate yourself continuously. The more you know about the U.S. financial system, the more confident you'll be in your decisions. Network with others. Connect with people who have successfully navigated this process. Their insights and experiences can provide invaluable guidance. Remember, your unique journey is a strength. Every obstacle you overcome builds resilience and brings you one step closer to achieving your homeownership dreams. I've had the privilege of speaking with many individuals who, despite facing significant challenges, managed to secure a mortgage and build a better future for themselves and their families. One person told me how, after months of disciplined savings and credit building, they finally qualified for a mortgage and bought their first home. A milestone that symbolized not just financial stability, but hope and new beginnings. Another shared how working with a supportive co-signer and a community network helped them overcome hurdles and secure favorable terms. These stories are a powerful reminder that no matter how tough the journey may seem, perseverance, preparation, and the right guidance can lead you to success. Let's recap the essential steps to qualifying for a mortgage as an immigrant. Assess your financial health. Understand your credit, income, and debt-to-income ratio. Build and strengthen your credit. Use secured credit cards, credit builder loans, and authorized user strategies. Save diligently. Work towards a substantial down payment. Gather and organize your documentation. Keep all required documents ready. Research lenders. Find institutions that cater to your unique needs. Apply confidently. Submit a well-prepared application and understand all loan terms. Manage your mortgage responsibly, integrate payments into your budget, and maintain open communication with your lender. Overcome challenges, use community resources and continuous education to navigate obstacles. Every step you take brings you closer to turning your dream of homeownership into reality. Your journey is unique, and every challenge you overcome is a victory. Believe in your ability to succeed. You have the power to shape your future one step at a time. Thank you for joining me on this comprehensive journey to qualify for a mortgage as an immigrant in the United States. I hope this guide has provided you with the insights, practical steps, and motivation to take control of your financial future. Remember, every milestone, no matter how small, is a building block toward a brighter tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with anyone who might benefit from this information. I'd love to hear your questions, experiences, or success stories in the comments below. Let's build a community that supports and empowers each other on our journeys to homeownership and financial freedom. Stay determined, be persistent, and remember, your future is in your hands. Until next time, take care and keep moving forward.